postulate. So just like the name implies, we are going to look at two angles that will then make a larger angle. So it's another concept like our segment addition postulate, part plus part equals whole. So in this diagram, we're given that our large angle here, angle ABC, notice vertex is at B, rays, which make up my sides of my angles, ray BA and ray BC. We then see we have this ray BD that goes through our angle, giving us the expression 2x plus 12 for the measurement of angle ABD and 4x minus 4 for the measure of DBC. So let's write our angle addition postulate piece out. The measure of our smaller angle here, the measure of angle ABD, plus the measure of the other angle here, the other smaller angle, the measure of angle DBC, has to equal the measure of our larger angle ABC. And now we're going to use this and substitute in the algebra. So the measure of ABD is 2x plus 12. We're going to add that to the measure of DBC, 4x minus 4, and that's going to equal our 80 degrees. We have like terms, so we're going to combine our 2x and our 4x, giving us 6x's, and our 12 minus 4, which gives us a positive 8, equals 80. We then subtract 8 from both sides, giving us 6x is 72. We divide by our 6, and x is 12. We could then take that 12 and substitute it in for each piece to find the measurement. So the measure of angle ABD is 2 times 12, 24, plus 12, 36 degrees. And the measure of our angle DBC is 4 times 12, 48, minus 4, 44. We then could always check our work by seeing, does 36 plus 44 add up to 80? It does. So we know that we have solved this problem correctly. Let's look at another example, but in this case, we have congruency symbols. So here we have this large angle, angle XYZ, and we see that we have these two congruent pieces, which means this ray, ray YA, so here's ray YA, is said to bisect my angle, making it a bisector. So ray YA is a bisector because it cuts my large angle here, XYZ, in two congruent angles. So I could write that angle XYA is congruent, geometric term meaning equal, to angle AYZ. Notice Y is my vertex. It will be the middle letter in naming. And then my rays, ray YX, ray YA, sides of my one angle, ray YA and ray YZ, sides of the other angle. Notice the bisector is a side for both angles. Because my angles are congruent, the measures of these angles will have to be equal. Congruency means equal in our geometric terms. And now let's plug in. So the measure of XYA is 4x plus 19. The measure of AYZ, 6x minus 9. Here we have variables on both sides. So we can solve by either subtracting the 6x to the left or subtracting the 4x to the right. I'm going to move my 4x to the right here, giving me 19 equals 2x minus 9. I'm going to add 9. 28 is 2x. We divide by 2. My x is 14. We could then use that 14 to plug in to find the measurement of my angle. So if I plug in 14 for my x here, 4 times 14 plus 19, I'm going to get 75 degrees. On the other side of my angle, 6 times 14 minus 9, I should also get 75 degrees, which means the large angle here, angle XYZ, the measure of angle XYZ, is going to be 75 degrees plus 75 degrees, 150 degrees.